Prepping the day before a holiday meal makes the day of go so smooth and way less stressful. Chop the potatoes and place them in the water. Because they're in the water, they'll actually cook faster later on. They absorb it. This is my sweet potato casserole topper. The flour actually helps crisp on the top. And I just add brown sugar, put the butter in, warm up in the microwave, top it, and then place it in the oven the day of. Chop all the veggies prior. It'll save you so much time and headache. You want to socialize during the holidays. The seasoning I made from the harvest, I have to rehydrate possibly for the stuffing, so I put it in the stock that I have left over, shake it up, and then place it in the fridge, and then it will marinate overnight and combine and be real flavorful. So if the day of I notice that my stuffing's a little dry, I can pour it over and then add my topper, which is the French onions.